Good eyesight makes perfect moments. For expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Go to EO. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Ang goal ko sa buhay, yumaman. Ang paborito kong bagay, maraming pera.
Mayabang at ambisyoso.
Kailangan kong makuha ang deal na to sa fashion show.
Pero mukhang magugulo ang buhay nitong si Paolo.
Wala na. Ikaw!
Ano ba yan?
Wonderful Mama. Sa May 25 na, 7:30 p.m. Dito lang sa Net 25.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.
Good vibes ba ang hanap nyo?
Wala nga!
Umagang puno ng tawanan, kwentuhan at saya. From food to fun, DIY to life hacks, we've got everything you love. Love, Tony Pet, and everything. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. on Net 25.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.
The biggest party of the summer is here, and it's not just for spectators but for the entrepreneurs on the ground. Open for Business takes you to one of the biggest business-driven events. We're diving into the logistics, the marketing, and the massive scale of the first dual-venue live concert in the Philippines. It's the historic Summer Blast at the Philippine Arena and Philippine Sports Stadium. Dito lang yan sa Open for Business.
Open for Business with Cesar Vallejos, Sunday, 9 p.m.
Sunday 25.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated SPG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang dahil sa mga sensitibong tema at eksena na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Pa, kailan matatapos yung pinapagawa mong klinika sa Abang Lupa?
Matatapos na! Pwede mo nang gamitin kung gugustuhin mo.
Thank you.